Are you sharing stories with your potential clients? Hi, I'm Debbie Hoffman and welcome to Follow Up Friday. So one of the most powerful things you can do when you're talking to a potential client is to share stories of results that your clients have had working with you. But there's a way to tell a story that's effective, and then there's a way to share a story that's not so effective. And when I work with my clients, I teach them to share a very concise, powerful story that really focuses on the pain and the struggle people were having before they met you, how long they were dealing with it, and what's happened since they've worked with you. And you always hear this, people remember the stories more than they remember the facts. So when you're sitting down with a potential client, doing a discovery session or a presentation, or however you sit down with people to share more about what you do and see if it's a good fit, incorporate stories into your meeting. Very short stories, because the shorter the story, the more powerful they are. You can also share stories when you're meeting with a potential referral partner or a power partner, because it's evidence of results people have had. People always want to know what experience folks have working with you. What results do they have? What benefits do they have? How has it changed their lives? So my recommendation to you this week is to spend some time and craft a very short 1-minute story and start sharing with your potential clients and referral partners. So if you want to learn more about how to incorporate these stories into your business, I have my Power Up Your Sales 7-week program starting September 11th. And during this program, I help you to craft what you're going to say when people ask what you do, so you actually have them leaning in and wanting to know more. We'll also talk about how to network more effectively, how to follow up after networking, how to set up a system, having the technology in place, the CRM, and also the step-by-step of what to do and what to say when you're going through this process with your potential clients. We go into how to navigate concerns and how to pre-qualify your prospects and how to invite people to work with you powerfully. So it's an incredible program. Please go check it out at powerupyourfollowup.com/sales. And please reach out to me if you have any questions. So I look forward to following up with you next week on Follow Up Friday. Bye for now.